Hi you guys, welcome to my kitchen. In today's video, I am sharing with you 5 quick and easy dinner ideas. We have been very busy, so our meals are simple. If you need some inspiration, these are really great for the whole family. So I love sharing these with you. If you're new to my channel, make sure you click subscribe. Let me show you these 5 really awesome dinner ideas. So I'm making fish tacos with tilapia. I'm gonna add on some salt. I love this pink Himalayan salt. Some cracked black pepper. I have some onion powder. I have cumin and some cayenne. You can add your favorite seasonings to this, but I'm gonna cook this tilapia in my air fryer because it is so hot outside. I do not want to heat up the kitchen. So the air fryer is just so perfect for summertime when it's hot. So I'm just going to add my tilapia into the air fryer. Sometimes I use an air fryer liner, but the tilapia is not messy. So I'm just going to add it in. I'm going to put it on bake for this one, and it doesn't take long at all, 10 minutes, and then this will be ready to go. So I have these little low-carb tortillas that I love. I have the fish from my air fryer and some shredded cabbage. I have this really delicious sriracha mayo sauce that I just love this stuff. It has got a kick to it. So if you are not a fan of spicy, you will not like this sriracha mayo, but I think it's really great. I'm going to use the crock pot this time. Like I said, it's been hot, and so the crock pot definitely doesn't heat the house up. So I have 2 chicken breasts, and I like to dice my chicken breast up. I have garlic. I'm going to use a can of Alfredo sauce, and I am going to add half a cup of grated Parmesan, and then I am going to add Brussels sprouts on top of this once I give it a good mix. I love having everything together in the crock pot, my protein and my veggie. So if you want to do a starch as well, you can do a side of noodles or rice, but I love having all of this all in one crock pot ready to go at the end of the day. We're super busy, so I just love coming home to a nice crock pot meal. I'm adding some Kinder's garlic Parmesan sauce on top of this, and this has been my favorite seasoning for veggies right now. So I'm going to cook this on low. I'm going to cook it for 6 hours, and then it will be ready to go. Comes out so good, and love the flavors of the chicken and love that everything is ready to go. So I have been having a lot of this high protein pasta. It's by Barilla, the Barilla brand of pasta, and it is just extra protein, which I love. So I cooked some of that up. Gonna add in the Brussels sprouts and the chicken, and this sauce is really, really good. Such a yummy dinner and perfect, nice warm dinner on a hot day. I did not have to heat up the oven. So I'm going to have a salad for this one. I prep my lettuce. After I get it from the grocery store, I chop it up and store it in my mason jars. It is ready to go in a perfect serving size. I just love doing it that way. I have grilled chicken. We grill up a pack of chicken the beginning of every week to have ready for salads and sandwiches. I'm adding on some shredded Parmesan cheese, which is my favorite. Caesar salads are my go-to. I could eat them literally every day. So this is my favorite meal for lunch and dinner, and especially with it being hot outside, it is just a really refreshing meal to have. Gotta add on the croutons, and then my favorite Caesar dressing, this Lighthouse brand. It is really good. It's thick and creamy, and it's got so much awesome flavor. So I will just dollop it on, and then this salad is ready to go. Such a quick meal since I already had everything prepped ready to go, which I just love anything that is grab and go. So this salad is so, so good and perfect for a warm summer evening dinner. So we're going to have smash burgers, and my kids request smash burgers all the time. It is their favorite meal for sure. So we make a lot and have leftovers. I am going to season my ground beef, have some seasoning salt, onion, and garlic powder. I will season all that up, mix the seasonings into the ground beef. So I have, this is 3 pounds. So like I said, this is gonna make a lot of burgers and just a lot of leftovers. So I love having leftovers in the fridge for quick meals. So I'm just mixing up the meat with the seasoning, and then I will roll these into balls, and then my husband will put them on the Blackstone. They cook really quick, so I love these for our busy nights, and they are just ready to go and very simple and just a huge hit with our family. Have a side of edamame, which I steam in a steamer bag in the microwave, and this is such a simple, easy meal that we all love. So I'm going to make a pork loin in my crock pot. I have a yellow onion that I will dice up and add to the bottom of my crock pot, and then I will set this delicious pork loin. It's got some bacon on it as well, and it's all seasoned, ready to go, so simple. I have 2 cups of chicken broth, and I'm going to cook this on low for 8 hours, or you can do high for 4 hours. But this is a family favorite. My kids love pork, and so this one is so easy, just cooking in the crock pot all day, and we all love it. So I have a side of rice and zucchini as well for this one. I hope you enjoyed these 5 quick and easy dinners for this week. If you're new to my channel, make sure you click subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.